Hi Mashable India, welcome to my home. So basically I always wanted cool tones and I like fresh, like white and greys and blacks, not the yellow tone. And this gives a very fresh look to my house, and that's why. And I can always play around with colors. I can always change the cushions, colors, paintings. So I play around with all the other objects. This is the place where I chill the most. I take my cup of tea, look outside, whether it is sunny or whether it is raining. This is my chill zone. I just chill and relax and listen to the music. The most prized possession in my house are actually my paintings. Living area, I think the most conversations that take place is about work, fun, which sort of shows should we watch. So that is the living room theme. This is the vibe I really like. My house has all real plants. I love my green friends. So you'll see every corner of my house, you will see green friends of mine, and we love it. And my kids, they love watering the plants. So this is their routine. This is ponytail plant. This painting is very special for me. Why? Because this is the first painting I made for my house. It's abstract and you can just make of whatever you want of it. मेरे को खाली चाहिए था कि मैं colors इसमें add करूँ जो represent करते मेरे घर को. So this is our library and this is where most of our work, meetings, interviews and study happens. Research as well. सबसे पहले तो मैंने आफीन का book पढ़ा है, which is You Can, You Will, It's Your Choice. And then lots and lots of other books. If I have to go through, there are many. तो पता नहीं which ones you want me to go through. Dan Brown I've read. I've read A World Transformed. I haven't read these volumes yet. It's gonna take me time. But yeah, आफीन अपने बहुत सारे meetings इधर करते हैं. हमारा Zoom interviews जो होता है वो यहाँ पे होता है. And you can see how the kids have added their touch. All Elsa, Heart, Chicks, everything around the computer. And we encourage kids to read. तो ये space हमने खास इसलिए बनाया ताकि हम लोग बच्चों को used to कराएं books से. So they come here, they read, they color. So this is our space to grow. I think this is the most used space in my house. So this is our music space. And the reason we have piano because we want to encourage our kids into learning music. I don't play, but the kids are learning. So that's beautiful. And this is all our family memories. So from my mother being with the twins, Afeen's parents with Afeen with the kids. So it's a whole lot of memories attached to the space. मुझे piano नहीं आता है, लेकिन वो बोलते हैं ना अगर किस चीज़ को आपको encourage करना है तो you have to have it in your space. So I encourage music and art to my kids. They play nursery rhymes in there. I mean, I used to learn the harmonium, to be very honest. इसीलिए मुझे ना, I know how to do just a little bit on with just one hand. I don't know, अभी मैं भूल गई होंगी, लेकिन जो भी है. Just about a little that I know. So this is my dining space. यहाँ पे हम dinner करते हैं और dining space पे एक rule है, no phones allowed. And यहाँ पे रमज़ान में हम सब ने इफ्तार खोला है, so this is a very special space for all of us. I think this particular dining space was selected by Afeen, and I think this was from South Mumbai. And how I selected this piece is because it's got grey and black, which goes absolutely with the vibe of my house, so that's why. Now I'm going to show you my most comfort zone, my bedroom. So this is my dressing space, my dressing table, my wardrobe, basically my luxury calm space. I'll show you the bedside now. If I can, I would relax all day in this space. And the last thing I actually do before sleeping is have my chamomile tea and watch my Netflix. That's the only time I watch my television. And the rule for this room is nobody is allowed to get upset. So even when my kids come here, it's a happy space. If you want to complain or be upset, then you have to go out. The vibe of this room is a happy vibe. So it's not only gray tones, so it's got feminine and masculine energy. So it's got little lavender pinkish, which I like. And of course I have to blend it with Afeen, because I'm sure Afeen does not like to have a pink lavender room, you see. So I had to put a blend of gray and lavenders and blues and whites and greens. It's just something that I created on the go. Want to see my luxury bath space? This is the large tub, and it's my favorite because every time I want to unwind, I put these bath salts, lavender, warm water, and I sometimes use the jacuzzi. So this is my like zone, luxury, relaxing zone. This particular tub, I have got it from London. I was not getting it, like this was like about 15 years ago, and I was not getting that luxury space. I want that space. And I found this in London and I fell in love with it, so I had to bring it to you. I'm quite spiritual, you can say. Like we do our prayers every Friday, especially my husband also takes the kids for his Friday prayers, and I do the Friday prayers here. And we incorporate a lot of meditation, a lot of humanity, a lot of charity. So this is what we do, and we coach our kids to do the same. You will not see as such visible spiritual elements, but early morning I listen to verses from the Quran. I get my kids to listen to that, so I call it a meditation time. So sometimes I make them hear children's meditation or affirmations, and sometimes about the Quran. So that's about it, that you'll feel the vibe of it. So nothing specific that something is there. Last thing about my house that I would like to say is that everybody who's visited my house says that it's got beautiful energy, peaceful, and they get very comfortable. A lot of people have told me that your house is like a house. Although it's beautiful, it doesn't give a vibe of a hotel. It gives a vibe of comfort and apnapan. Thank you, Mashmal India, for coming into my home and covering my most beautiful spiritual space.